Metumnyo is a solemn festival celebrated by the Yimkhiung Naga tribe in Nagaland. It is an old ritual, tradition and celebration life and death, blending its kinds on religious and seasonal significance. Traditionally, the festive days are spread from August 4 to 8. The main feast falls on August 8. The word me means soul, tum means wrap, and myo means feast. So the term literally means soul wrapping feast, a solemn festival that welcomes the newborns and honoring the ones going by. Metumnyo comes into light in a season when granaries are filled with fresh millets. If we could travel back to the olden days, one would find people practicing deep rituals and sacrifice of supreme being called Arimpu.